Hello, my dear children. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My dear children, today we are going to continue our fifth lesson, the Europe. Now we will discuss about Western Europe showers all year round. So the directions north, south, east and west, the Western Europe, which receives the showers all year round. Actually, in our India, we have the rainfall for few months, but the light showers all year round in the Western Europe. In our India, we are waiting for the cool showers, but the Western Europe people are waiting for the warm sunny days. And then next, these Western Europe is also benefits in other way from the Gulf Stream. The warm currents are very good for fish breeding. Due to these, the fishing industry developed well in the Western Europe. This part of the North Sea part, that is known as Dogger Bank. That is known as the Dogger Bank. Dogger Bank. Dogger Bank. So fish is an important part of the food of the Europeans. Next, Mediterranean climate in Southern Europe. Now we are going to discuss about the Southern Europe. What is this here? Mediterranean climate. Mediterranean, that is known as medium. Mediterranean. Okay? So Mediterranean climate. This is in Southern Europe. It means moderate climate, not extreme type of the climate. They enjoy the medium climate, not hot in summer, not too cool in the winter. The countries of the Southern Europe, they have the Mediterranean Sea to the south. They are called as Mediterranean countries. The lands along to the Mediterranean Sea have a distinct climate called the Mediterranean climate. The Mediterranean countries are the southernmost countries of Europe, so that they are not too hot in summer, not too cool in the winter. This climate is very good for growing the juicy fruits like olives, figs, grapes, oranges, etc. And now we are going to discuss about the four seasons. Four seasons. Actually, we know about summer, rainy, winter. Three seasons in our India. But in the winter, there are four seasons. They are, one is winter. Next one is spring. Then the third one is summer. And finally, the fourth one is known as autumn. The fourth one is known as autumn. So these are the four seasons in the Europe. Winter. So this winter starts from November. Winter starts from the November. And the spring starts in March. It is in March. So summer is June to August. Summer is from June to August. And finally the autumn. So this is in September and October. September to October. So these are the 4 seasons. Winter, we know well about that. So it begins very cold in November and then continues December. Very cold. Snowfall starts. Snow begins to fall. Once in a while, it snows heavily. Now, we will discuss from the winter. Winter starts from November. In December, it gets very cold and the snow starts to fall once while. And it snows heavily on the mountains and less on the plains. The sun shines once in a while. The sun rises very late in the day. The sun rises very late in the day. At about 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning and sets by 4 o'clock. Sets by 4 o'clock. The sky makes it even darker. Next, the spring. The landscape begins to change as March comes. The days get longer and the nights are shorter. The snow begins to melt and new shoots appear to the trees. Fresh green leaves appear and colorful flowers bloom everywhere. The fields are plowed in spring. The crops like wheat, rye, barley, corn, sugar beet and oats are the principal crops which are going to sow in spring season. Next, summer. It is summer from June to August. It does not rain much and there is more sunshine. The sun rises early. The days are longer than our India. The sun rises in the morning 4 o'clock and sets after 8 o'clock. In fact, in the northern countries like Sweden, the sun does not set at all. Norway, midnight, land of the sun. Nevertheless, so Sweden, Norway are known as the midnight, lands of midnight sun. Summer is the season of agriculture in Europe. Crops mature in this season. There is no need for irrigation as the occasional showers are sufficient for the crops. At the end of the summer, the crops are ready to be harvested. In our country, we have 2 agricultural seasons, Kharif, Rabi. Kharif and Rabi. But here is only one season in the Europe. The last one is autumn. The climate changes once again in September and October. Tree leaves turn red and yellow and begin to fall. Agricultural operations are wound up. No agricultural operations. So this is about the autumn. So we will discuss land and agriculture in our next class. Thank you, children. See you all.